What would be the number one thing off the bat that you would suggest someone new to LinkedIn, how to get to know people in a nice, polite way?
Well, the first thing is you must always focus on quality, not quantity. I have to mention that because every single day, Julian, somebody says to me, how do I have a large number of followers? How do I get to big, big numbers? People mistakenly assume that having big numbers on LinkedIn is the key to success. Just like in the real world, people think if you're rich, you'll be happy. It doesn't work like that. It really doesn't. Unfortunately, it took me a long time to realize in the real world. But on LinkedIn, it's all about the quality. You're there to help people. It is not a place you come just to generate leads. It's a mistake that I made when I started. It's a mistake so many people make. They're just there for business. And if you use LinkedIn properly, it is just one of the best networks out there because there's so much more you can do than just business. Business is only a part of it. There's the networking, there's the helping people, it's mentoring people, it's finding clients, not leads, clients. And there's just, so many wonderful things you can do with LinkedIn, but focus on the quality and focus on building a relationship, not trying to win business.